Good day everyone, I'm Jonalyn Almayo and I'm going to share my thoughts about why should all college students, no matter their major, learn how to affect their environment. Climate change is a global issue that affects everyone, especially students. Sa panahon ngayon, ramdam na ramdam natin ang epekto ng pabago-bagong klima, biglaang pagbaha, matinding init at malakas na bagyo. This extreme weather event often result in class suspension, make it difficult for students to attend complete their requirements on time. For example, flooding can damage classroom and libraries and learning materials and on refer system improving